Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you guys what to do when you come across an issue on LinkedIn. This says that your LinkedIn network will be back soon. We've notified our operations staff that you are having a problem reaching LinkedIn. We'll get you reconnected soon. You can leave this window open and it will automatically take you back to your LinkedIn homepage in a few minutes. We apologize for the interruption. So this is a typical error message when they're having issues with their servers, in which case you just have to wait it out a little bit. It can be anywhere from 10 to 15 to 20 minutes possibly in some cases. And just wait until the issue is resolved. It's typically not on the user end. This is an issue on the server side. This is an issue with LinkedIn, not with your computer or network. There's no reason for you to have to try and reset or repair anything on your end. It's not an issue that's stemming from anything that you caused or are causing. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.